Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet a heart shape coaster. So friends, for this project, I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. And make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is a loose slip knot. So we will work in this magic ring. Start with chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. We will make 20 double crochet stitches including chain 3. So this is our second double crochet stitch. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and pull the yarn through second 2 loop. Again wrap the yarn, go into the same ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and pull through second 2 loops. So this is our third double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn, go into the ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and pull through second 2 loops. This is our fourth double crochet stitch. Again repeat the same sequence and make double crochet 5. Repeat the same sequence and complete 20 double crochet stitches including chain 3. So friends, I have completed my 20 double crochet stitches. After completing first row, pull the starting yarn tail to tighten the circle and make a slip stitch to chain 3. For the second row, again make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now go into the second double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch 2. Go into the next stitch and make a double crochet stitch 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, go into the fourth double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase here, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5 into the same stitch. So we have total of 5 double crochet stitches. After making 5 double crochet stitches, make chain 1, go into the very next stitch and make double crochet 1, go into the next stitch and make double crochet 2, go into the next stitch and make double crochet 3, go into the next stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5 into the same stitch like this. Now again make chain 1, go into the very next stitch and make double crochet stitch 1, into the next double crochet stitch 2, into the next double crochet stitch 3, go into the next and make 2 double crochet stitch increase, double crochet stitch 1 and 2 into the same stitch. So we will make 5 double crochet stitches like this and chain 1. By repeating the same sequence, complete the row. So friends, I have completed my row. Now I will make last chain 1 and a slip stitch to chain 3 to finish our row. After finishing, start with chain 3 again, which is our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the same chain 3 and make a second double crochet stitch here. So we have 2 double crochet stitch increase here. Now go into the next stitch and make double crochet 3, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 4, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 5 and go into the last and again make increase double crochet stitch 6 and double crochet stitch 7. So we will increase in first and last stitch. Now again make chain 1, skip chain 1, directly go into the next double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase as we have done before. After making 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, go into the next stitch and make double crochet stitch 3, go into the next stitch and make double crochet stitch 4, go into the next stitch and make double crochet stitch 5, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 6 and into the same stitch double crochet stitch 7. So we have again total of 7 double crochet stitches. Repeat the same sequence till the end of the row. So friend, I have completed my row. After completing your row, make last chain 1, go into the chain 3 and make a slip stitch. For the 4th row, again make chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch, go into the same chain 3 and make a second double crochet stitch increase here. After making 2 double crochet stitches, go into the next stitch and make double crochet stitch 3, double crochet stitch 4 into the next, double crochet stitch 5 into the next, double crochet stitch 6 into the next, double crochet stitch 7 into the next, and into this last stitch make double crochet stitch 8 and double crochet stitch 9. So we have total of 9 double crochet stitches with 2 increased stitches in starting and last stitch. Now again make chain 1, skip chain and go into the first double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase here. After making 2 double crochet stitches, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 3, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 4, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 5, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 6, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 7, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 8 and double crochet stitch 9 into the same stitch. So as we have done these 2 sections, by repeating the same sequence, complete your 4th row and make a slip stitch to chain 3. So friend, I have completed my row. Now again make chain 3 and make a double crochet stitch increase into the same stitch. After making 2 double crochet stitches, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 3, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 4, go into the next and make double crochet stitch 5, and continue making double crochet stitches till the last double crochet stitch. Now into this last double crochet stitch, we will again make 2 double crochet stitch increase here. So with these increased stitches, we have total of 11 double crochet stitches including chain 3 here in this section. Now again make chain 1, go into the next stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase here, and by repeating the same sequence as we have done in this section, complete your row. So friend, I have completed my row. Now we will make heart shape with shell stitches, which is a very simple and easy shell stitch. So skip this chain 3 and next second double crochet stitch, go into the third double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch here. Now go into the same stitch and make double crochet stitch 2, go into the same stitch and make double crochet stitch 3, go into the same and make double crochet stitch 4, go into the same and make double crochet stitch 5, go into the same and make double crochet stitch 6, go into the same and make double crochet stitch 7, go into the same and make double crochet stitch 8. So this is our shell stitch of 8 double crochet stitches. You can see the curve of shell for the heart shape. Now skip 2 double crochet stitch again and go into the third stitch and make a single crochet stitch here. So now again skip 2 double crochet stitch and go into the third stitch here and make 8 double crochet stitches again into the third stitch. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 6, double crochet 7 and double crochet 8. So you can see now skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the chain 1 space next and make 2 single crochet stitches here. We will always make 2 single crochet stitches to chain 1 space. Now again skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the third one and make your first shell stitch by making 8 double crochet stitches here. So friend, I have made 8 double crochet stitches here. Now again skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the third stitch and make single crochet stitch. Again skip 2 stitches, go into the third and make second shell by making 8 double crochet stitches here again. So friend, I have completed my 8 double crochet stitches. Now again skip these last 2 double crochet stitches, go into the chain 1 space and make 2 single crochet stitches here. So this is very super simple and easy to make. Now by repeating the same sequence, complete this row till the end. So friend, I have completed my row. After completing the row, go into this first double crochet stitch of first shell, make a slip stitch here, pull the extra yarn and cut this extra yarn, remove and weave this extra yarn tail with the help of yarn needle. So insert the needle, go to the back side, and after going to the back side, weave this extra yarn and do some back side stitches to secure your work. So I am weaving this to the double crochet stitches of shell stitch. After weaving it like this, cut this extra yarn tail and cut this starting yarn tail too. So our caster is ready. If you like this caster, please give it a try, and if you have any question about this cost her, you can tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.